Hi folks, just another quick plastering tip for you. One of the big worries and things that people are worried about getting wrong is the consistency of the mix. Skim coating goes on 2 coats, both 1 mil thick. The first coat wants to be slightly thicker than the second coat, and the consistency wants to be something like this. Drag my trowel through it. You can see the sides retain their shape. Just get a bit up there. See that? Alright, that's the first coat on and tacky, so I've made up the second mix and it wants to be something like this, a bit runnier than the first coat. It still holds the edges, but you can see they're slumping in a bit, starting to collapse a little bit. Alright, so you get the picture, nice and sloppy, just a bit wetter than the first coat.